For question number 12, we are given the problem, sodium carbonate Na2CO3 solid can be prepared by heating sodium bicarbonate NaHCO3 solid. The equation then that is given is 2NOHCO3S can go ahead and turn into Na2CO3S plus CO2G plus H2O gas. The Kp is 0.23 at 100 degrees Celsius. If a sample of NaHCO3 is placed in an evacuated flask and allowed to achieve equilibrium at 100 degrees Celsius, what will the total gas pressure be? So in order to go ahead and solve this, we can go ahead and we know that Kp is equal to the P of CO2 times the P of H2O. And we also know that it's a 1-to-1 ratio. From this, we can go ahead and say X is equal to P of CO2, and it is also equal to the P of H2O. From the equation, we know that the Kp is equal to 0.23. So we go ahead and note from that, we can plug in PCO2 times the P of H2O. We also know that this is equal to X times X, or also X squared. So this comes down to the equation 0.23 is equal to X squared. In order to find X, we can go ahead and get the square root of 0.23, and we know that X is equal to 0.48. From this, we know that the P of CO2 is equal to 0.48, as well as the P of H2O. We can go ahead and plug in 0.48 plus 0.48, and that is equal to 0.96 ATM. So the final answer is 0.96 ATM.